Want to fix an Instagram story that won't upload and get back to sharing in seconds? In this video, I will guide you on how to fix that. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You can do this by turning on the airplane mode. Once you have turned on airplane mode, wait for a couple of seconds, then you want to turn it off. Next thing you want to do is if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and back again to reset the network. Next, you want to force quit the Instagram app by swiping it away in the app switcher. Then reopen Instagram and try uploading your story again. Crashes or background glitches often clear up with a quick restart of the app. If it still fails, then you want to open up your settings. Now select apps from here. Select Instagram. Then tap on the storage option. Here, select clear cache. Then head back. Now select force stop. Tap on OK. Now this is going to remove temporary files without deleting your account. Go ahead and check if your problem is fixed. If your issue is still not fixed, you want to visit a server status website. For that, open up any web browser and head over to a site like Down Detector. Here you want to check if there is any Instagram outages. If reports are spiking, the issue is on Instagram's end and you'll need to wait for the platform to recover. If none of the above fixes work, then you want to delete and reinstall the application. For that, tap and hold on Instagram and then tap on the uninstall option. Then head over to Play Store, search for Instagram and reinstall it from here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.